fourth standard students. Today we will start a new chapter, long and short. How far apart are the dots? Now you can see dots A, B, then D, C, D. So you can see so many. Guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeters is it? Now measure it with the help of a scale. Did you guess right? So what you have to do first, guess O to D. Any that means from your own choice you can choose in two dots and guess the distance between the 2 points, and then actual distance with the help of ruler you will measure. Suppose that from O to D I guess 1 centimeter, then actual distance I will measure with the help of ruler. Now B to I 1.5 centimeter according to me. Then so any 2 points, then suppose that A to E I am choosing this. So A to E approximately 4 centimeter I am telling. Then this distance again we will measure with the help of ruler. So and then we will check my guess is right or wrong. So you will do this activity and you will send video on my personal WhatsApp number. Now with the help of ruler we will check. Okay, so ruler is here and you can see the initial point. Okay, here, and D is here, dot. I told you 1 centimeter, but it is 1.1 centimeter. Okay, that means my guess is correct, near to answer. Now we will check B to I. B to I told you 1.5 centimeter. So let us check. It is 2 centimeter. Approximately 2 centimeter. That means my guess is wrong. Now this is near to, but not exactly. Now A to E distance. It is also 3 point something. 3 point something. And I told you 4 centimeters. So in this way you will do this activity and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Make the video and then send. Okay, any two dot, alphabetical letters you can see here. Between this you can measure, and you can with the help of ruler you will measure them. Then afterwards what you have to do, which two dots do you think are farthest from each other? Check your answer. Whatever measurement you have done, after that what you have to do, compare the distance and farthest distance you will choose. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से दो डॉट दूर हैं. Suppose that this I have measured, this I have measured, then this I have measured, then this I have measured. So easily we can say that distance between these 2 points are more than. That means these 2 dots are farthest to each other. In this way you will choose which 2 dots are nearest to each other. Check your answer. So nearest I have measured in first question this. So when I will do whole activity, then if this distance is less, then I will tell you these 2 dots are nearest to each other. Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. You can see here, he is the king and named Akbar. He had a smart minister. Akbar Birbal के किस्से सुने हैं ना आपने? He had a smart minister called Birbal, and he is Birbal, and he is very smart, intelligent minister of Akbar. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. He is telling Akbar, I have drawn this line. Birbal, here is a line, make it shorter without erasing. Then Akbar is telling कि इसको बगैर रब किए. Now you will draw a long line greater than my line. So minister is very smart. So what he has done? Now your line is shorter. Birbal, and in his hand one chalk or anything and he has drawn. It is the Birbal's line. Look at the picture and explain how Birbal made Akbar's line shorter. What Birbal has done? Birbal draw a long line than Akbar's line. And in this case, Birbal has not rubbed Akbar's line and he has drawn his long line also. Now can you be as smart as Birbal? Make his line shorter without erasing it. Now what we can do? Long line we can draw than the Birbal's line. So our line will be longest. Just think, is there any longest line? No. We can't imagine the longest line, because if I will draw a line, you can also draw greater than or longer than my line. Okay, now see, try this. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. You can see her left arm is measurement. First you will do, I will show you and then you will draw. My drawing is not good, children, but I will give you solution and you will draw. Draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. So first we will measure. Already we have done in the online class also. Okay, so first we will measure the length of cup and then subtract 1, and whatever answer we are getting, that length we will use for drawing a cup. Draw a broom half as long, half as this broom. So first, with the help of ruler, we will measure the length of broom and then divide by 2, because the meaning of half is divide the length of broom by 2, and then whatever answer we are getting, we will draw. Draw another draw another hair of double the length. So first you will measure the length of this taklu's hair, and then whatever length is this, just double, that means multiply by 2, and then you will draw here one hair. So let us start. Now see here, the length of left arm equal to 1 centimeter. I have measured, and already we have measured in the online class. Then the length of right arm is equal to 1 centimeter longer. That means we will add 1 in this length. So 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeter long right arm you will draw. Okay. Now next is length of given cup. The measurement of given cup, whatever you are getting, you will write in this box. Then length of cup. Which cup? That cup you are going to draw. That means shorter. That means you will subtract 1. So whatever answer you are getting, that much length of cup you will draw. Now third is the length of given broom. That means whatever length you are getting, you will measure and you will write here. Then the length of broom, that you have to draw. Whatever length is there, divide by 2, and division you will show here. Okay, and this work you will do in Interleaf notebook, and on the blank pages, first you will draw actual image of broom, and then or Xerox, whatever you want, you can paste or you can draw, and then new broom you will draw. After dividing by 2, whatever answer you are getting, that much length you will take and you will draw the broom. In this way all sums you will do. Now length of the hair, you will write, underlined I have done here. So you will write the length of the hair in this, and new, length of new hair, that means just a double, that means multiply by 2, and this length you will write here and multiply by 2. Whatever answer you are getting, that much length of hair you will draw on the blank page. Now see on the next page, how tall have you grown? Now do you remember that in class third you measured your height? So in the standard third, whatever height you are having, you will write here. Do you think you have grown taller? So first you will write third standard's height, and then here fourth standard height, and then find difference, because as we grow, our height also increase. Okay, so how much? So difference you will write here. Have your friends also grown taller? Yes. Find out and fill the table below. Friends name first you will write here. Last year's height, that means your friends last year height you will write in centimeter. Then current height, that means this year's height you will write here, and then you will find the difference. Okay, so from this year's height you will subtract last year's height and then find the difference. Now see next, Jalpa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. She was reading the list of the tallest people कि कौन सबसे लंबा है. One of them was 272 centimeter height, you can see. So one person's height was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jalpa's height. If Jalpa's height we will measure and multiply by 2, the person's height we will get. How tall is Jalpa? Now we have to calculate the Jalpa's height. So we can say that that person is just double, that person's height just double of Jalpa's height. So Jalpa's height just half of that person's height. So what we will do? We will divide by 2 from Jalpa's height. Okay, so let us start. Wow, his height is exactly double my height. So let us start. So what is given in the question? The person's height is 272 centimeter and just double of Jalpa's height. Then Jalpa's height is just half of that person's height. So what we will do? We will divide by 2 in 272 centimeter. Now first digit from the extreme left 2. 2 is equal to 2, so 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down 7. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 8 is greater than 7, so 3 times we will divide. 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down 2. 2 6 are 12. So answer is 136 centimeter. So you can see here, so Jalpa's height is 136 centimeter. Now see, imagine, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Now you will reply. You will send on this question's answer. You will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? So you will find, you can take help of your parents and then you will send it on my personal WhatsApp number. The answers of these questions. The long and short of your family. Who is the tallest in your family? You will write here. This also you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Who is the shortest in your family? This you will measure and write the height in the centimeter. What is the difference between their heights, and then from the tallest, that means maximum heights, you will minus this height and write here the answer. But don't forget the put unit in centimeter. Okay.